what's up everybody? Welcome to Car Question. I know most of our viewers are coming from the United States. You probably already saw the vehicle on your roads. It's a Humvee, but here in Quebec, it's not usual. And a friend of mine just finished his project, and this is an awesome machine because it's right. It's perfect. It's a military issue Humvee. And Vince, wow, amazing project. From what did you start?
That truck is from the U.S. military, ex-U.S. Marine. I restoring A to Z. Each year when I receive it's a completely a mess. We restore here at my shop, completely frame off, and we do everything in brand new and real military spec. And that's important for me. For when I restoring, I put all the real thing for my personal one. And that's very important for me. So, for example, the rear IED's antenna, interior victory intercom, and the real card paint, it's very important for me to put all the real stuff on that project.
You talk about the paint. This is the kind of paint which will not show the vehicle on infrared technology. And I just look right there at the top also, and I see those equipment. I check on the side. You've got exactly the same thing that you're going to find in the US base. As soon as the vehicle is going to enter, they're going to know it. But this is all done with care. It's really impressive. But what's the engine inside? What's the transmission?
The engine is the same that you can find on all your Humvee at the U.S. military or around the world. It's the 6.5 turbo diesel without any computer. It's very simple engine, but it's the mil spec, and that's a lot stronger than the civilian 6.5 that we see previously on civilian truck. And the transmission for L80 from GM, and the transfer case are specific for the military truck.
I drove this one, and it's amazing how solid it is. There is no rattle. The brakes are a little bit touchy though. Once you step on them, there's no ABS, no fuzzy technology. It's all about the protection of its occupant. And Vince, how did you get those crazy idea to restore some military vehicle here in Quebec? It's not usual.
I do that since 2014 at full time. I'm restoring my first one, and after that, it's a passion of military truck. I take my decision to do at full time. Yeah, it's pretty risky, but have a big dam and worldwide. I like those trucks, and I built with passion with all the specific military parts. My client see that, the detail.
So let's say, Vince, that we have a project, we have a dream to get a machine like this one and start from scratch. How can we contact you?
Yeah, we can contact me at vincearmytruck.com, Facebook, Instagram, and in Europe, Desert Storm Import.
There you go, guys. Feel free to comment in the section down there below. Do a thumbs up because you like. Subscribe to Car Question because we might try some other project of Vincent soon. Take care.